Welcome everybody. My name is Lauren Kirsting. I'm the principal here at South Elementary, and I'm really excited about the district moving towards STAR assessments for everybody. The one thing I can guarantee you in my mind is that it's extremely teacher friendly, and you'll find it to be a lot more helpful on a regular basis than probably what you did with the map. What it also offers you is opportunities to look at what children need, and those are also very friendly. So I think it's an absolutely great opportunity that the district's moving in that direction, and you'll love it.
It has a great tool called the Instructional Group Planning Tool, which allows me to group students based on their standard score.
And you can organize and arrange your students based off of their scores, and then it will give you a ranking of skills to work on.
It gives me immediate and relevant data on my students, and gives me skills that are easy to use in my classroom.
We are able to see what skills they need to work on, and the STAR assessment data, once you look into some of the diagnostics and the other reports, you'll get to find out exactly what you can work with them, what they're capable of doing, and what we should be able to see for their future.
So, for example, my low group might be working on answering who, what, when, where, why, and how, whereas my high group is working on an objective summary.
But one of the parts of STAR that I appreciate the most is how easy it is to progress monitor our students. I teach.
While using STARS, I enjoy that it has the progress monitoring tool so I can see as my kids grow and where they need additional support.
I'm able to progress monitor with the STAR program as well, and so they're getting assessed and monitored using the same tool.
I use STAR to progress monitor my math group. I do it twice a month, and this allows me to check and make sure my instruction is going in the right direction and what skills that I need to continue to work on.
And right now I actually progress monitor my entire group. So it's once a month, and the test takes 15 to 20 minutes, and I'm able to see their progress and see their growth, and can really dig into what the gaps are and the places that I need to fill in so that they can learn.
From there, it works really well with IE, and it works really well.
One of the challenges we face with STAR is that on the diagnostic report for parents, it will tell the parents exactly what grade level the child is performing at. That could be 2 or 3 grade levels above where the child is being placed. So that can be confusing and hard to explain to the parents. On the flip side of that, the STAR test does tell you specific skills to work on with each child, and that can be very helpful when the child is performing above grade level.
And the reports are phenomenal. The diagnostic reports that tell me exactly what my kids know are just a lifesaver, and it's so much easier to see how they've grown and how they've changed.
I feel the best part about STAR assessment is the teacher and parent friendly graphs and information. You get immediate results.
And unlike MAP, it designates 1 or 2 focus skills I can work on, so it's not so overwhelming.
STAR testing is easier than the MAP testing because it's less questions and it takes less time.
I've had students who cried taking the MAP test, and I've yet to have a student cry taking the STAR test.
With their descriptive writing as well. So we found that some of the stuff we learned from the STAR is really helpful in some of the Steve Dunn writing that we're doing.
For me, I like the STAR test because it's quick and to the point. It only takes the kids 20-25 minutes to take.
At South, we use the STAR data and test them 3 times a year. It's simple. It takes about a half an hour. It's kid-friendly.
One of the things I love about STAR testing is it is so much more directed at the standards and not so much at intelligence. Students are being tested at their grade level and then expanded from there.
The STAR assessment is really easy to use. Once you get the kids logged in, it takes them 20 minutes, sometimes maybe 30 minutes for them to do the test, and you get the results immediately.